Hi everyone! Welcome back. Your bestie deserves something made from the heart, not just an expensive gift. Why spend money on expensive Friendship Day gifts when you can make something truly special? A handmade explosion box is filled with love. This beautiful DIY explosion box. It's easy, affordable, and made with love.
103L. Yeah, they have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had them on deck. Look what?